Good morning students. In this session we will discuss about this fourth unit aquatic biology. Okay. The unit is totally consist about the water pollution and what are the causes to pollute this water, and here what are the precautions to consumption or the conservation of this water, what are the minimal use and the maximum utilizing of these water resources. Okay. And next one is here the where the water resources are very probably we are used to these waters. Okay, these waters are containing which minerals and which are essential for do our metabolic activities, right? Already we have discussed the rainwater harvesting system. Here rainwater harvesting, here what is the definition of rainwater harvesting? To conservation of the water management. So here one of the most important step, that is the rainwater harvesting. Here what is the definition of the rainwater harvesting? Here the definition of rainwater harvesting is to collecting, right ma? The rainwater harvesting is the means of collecting the rainwater on the roof of the buildings. The first point is collecting the rainwater. From the roof of buildings, right ma? To collecting the rainwater from the roof of buildings. And next one, roof of buildings, next one, and storing it underground, storing it undergrounds to utilized immediately utilizations, right ma? What is the purpose of these both? Okay, the collecting the rainwater from the roof of buildings and the storing it undergrounds. Yeah, we are storing it on the undergrounds. What purpose? To utilizing in a immediate manner, right? For the users, for the immediate users, right? This is about the rainwater harvesting. Simple steps. Here what is what ma? Last class we already discussing that the newly constructions of the apartments and buildings. Here the top of the roof, this roof is constructed as a pipelines or the slopes, and these are slowly entered into the ground levels. Okay, here this rainwater is poured into the storage tanks. The collecting rainwater is stored into these tanks, and next these tank is have the another piping manner, and this water is enters to the which are helpful for the filtration tanks. These are the filter tanks, and these are the collecting tanks, filter tank. And next where the fresh water is comes from this filter water, and this is stored in a storage tank, which the water is utilized by these so many purposes. For example, washing, clothing, eating, not for the drinking. Okay, here not used for the drinking purpose. Remaining all activities are used by the instant of the groundwater. We can using of this stored water. Okay, and next one, and it's mean here the washing of the cars, car wash, and washing clothes, right ma? Washing clothes, and next gardening, swimming purpose, and some pet animals are cleaned by this using of this water. And remaining where that the water is utilized by the floor cleans and water the ground cleans and the nursery gardening, so and so activities are used by the purpose, right? And next here, in the harvesting, rainwater harvesting, the main purpose is to increase the water level. What's the main purpose of the rainwater harvesting? Not only does the recharging of the groundwater, it is not only used for the recharging of the groundwater, and it is also arrested the seawater. Not only increasing, what's the use of the rainwater harvesting means here the uses like the increasing the groundwater table, groundwater levels, right? And another one here, arrested the seawater. What is meant by arrested here? Arrested seawater, which means where the seawater is flows on the over, okay, this water can captured by these methods, okay. And next one here, this is also useful to where the checking of the water levels and the ground surfaces. Here the rainwater harvesting, and another one, the artificial increasing or artificial recharging of the groundwater levels is more important or very important in the popular issues. It is a very important issue, popular issue in the urban and rural areas. So many urban areas are affected by these water droughts, right? That's why rainwater harvesting is the most important one, okay, especially in the urban areas. This is essential to stop the decline of the groundwater levels. It is essential for the stop of declining of the rainwater, of the groundwater levels. And next here, and conserve the surface water runoff during the rainy seasons. Another one is, now there is a season of rainfalls, okay, the rainy season is there, number of rains or fall down which are depend upon the monsoons, right? The climatic condition is also be very cool, okay. That's why here the runoff water is catched by these such a storage tanks, storage or collecting rainwater collecting tanks, or the people or you made some a special type of pits, right? The pits is also one of the most important one which was helpful to us, storage of water, right ma? And next one is the town planners, right? Another one more important point is town planners. Planners and civil authority and civic authority, okay, or making a rule, okay. The rule is especially rainwater harvesting methods which they don't give any permissions. There is no water harvesting systems, they do not give any connection, either no water or no sewage connection or the sewage connections to the newly constructed areas or the newly structures, okay. They maintain a strictly rule, right ma? Here the townshippers or the who are the established in a villas or this is so and so belongings, for example here the township XX or YY townships is there. In this township a number of people, huge peoples are lived in the communities, okay. This community are decided to make a rainwater harvesting process. If there is a rainwater harvesting process is there, then only the municipality can give a permission to construction of these new structures, or they can give connections to either the supplying of water or the sewaging, okay, where the waste water can go some containings of the small channels which are connecting to the municipalities, okay. That's why here the township or town planners, town planners and the civil authorities are making a compulsory, making a rapid rainwater harvesting purpose. They making a rule, a compulsory rule in the all new constructions. That's why the people get some fear, and also they have an idea about the water conservations. No water and the sewage connections would be given if a new building is not having the rainwater harvestings or the provisions from the rainwater harvesting. Okay ma, there is an I think so the coming of days also contain this provision or the GO, right. Each and every house construction holders are also have these water pit in their near place, in their house construction area one water pit is there ma, then only they give the construction permissions, right. And next one, this lawful activity should be made compulsory, right ma, this lawful activity should made be a compulsory rule in all the urban and rural areas in our country to ensure a reach in the groundwater level, ensure a rich groundwater level to increasing of water levels, not waste and unnecessary utilizing of the water must be avoided by the people, right. And next one here, there is a directions have been issued to the implement, there is some directions has been issued by the implements to a new systems, even the government organizations, that means GOMA, the government organization through the CGWB, what it means, excuse me, CGWB, the government organization which is includes Central Groundwater Board, which is mentioned the rule as in a compulsory, the provisions, okay. If the constructor who is building a new house in a proper place, they show the compulsory provision to that the constructors, township planners, then only they accepted and give the permissions to constructed a house or a structure in a particular area, right ma. That's why these are authorized by the central government water boards, groundwater boards. And next here rainwater is collected from rooftops, right. Nowadays so many houses which are already given by the government schemes, also they established their flat surface roofs, okay. That's why the rainwater especially collected from the roof of the buildings and the other surfaces, and the water is carried down to storage purpose. They all can make the storage tanks. They constructed a storage tanks for immediate users, for their immediately using purpose, right ma. And here this is about the rainwater harvesting. In last class already we discussed ma, what is that, the rainwater is collecting and in the water is entering into the collecting tanks, then next this water is flows into the filtration tanks, and then next this filtration tank can send out the water into the storage tanks. Then the water is utilized by the community people, either they are living in an apartment, either they are living in small villages or in a colony, okay. This is the main thing here. What is the beneficiaries, what is the benefits from the rainwater harvesting, let us discuss ma. Benefits of rainwater harvesting. Benefit of rainwater harvesting, here the increasing of water availability. The first point is most important, that is increase, right ma, increase water availability. Next, another one, that is check the declining of water table. Check the declining of water table. Right, and another one more important one, that is here, is environment friendly, is environment friendly. Eco-friendly, rainwater harvesting is the eco-friendly structure. And next it is improves the quality of groundwater. It improves the quality of groundwater. To the desalination, the dilations, dilation of fluorides, nitrates, etc. That's why the and also be some salinity, right ma? It improves the quality of groundwater through the dilation of fluorides, nitrates and the salinity. Salinity means the more presence of solids which are dissolved in the water, those are dilation and diluted in the sessions, right. And next another one is the most important benefit, that is these are the prevents the soil erosion. Rainwater harvesting is having another benefit, that is it prevents the soil erosion. Okay ma, this is the most important one. Why? Because the fine soil is formed to have taken a time, millions of years times. That's why prevents of the soil erosion and flooding, flooding the areas, especially these urban areas. To prevent the flooding, especially in the urban areas. Why? Because in the urban areas all surroundings are constructed with the RCC cement, okay, the CC roads and a complete area fully cementized, okay ma, RCC cement is used to their surroundings. That's why the each and every raindrop can't enter into the soil regions. That's why they run off on the roadways or the municipality sewages. Channels or canals are completely fulfilled with these rainwater and they are run off into very speedily, and these are causing the floods in especially in urban areas, right ma. And another one is under the guidelines of the some NGOs, non-government organization, under the NGOs, okay ma, non-government organizations, there are some men and women is there and they are both are get and constructed, okay, and both women and they are selecting an area. In that area they are encouraged to build some water tanks, and thus they are build some special type of rainwater pits. These are simply called here johats. these zoids are nothing but the reservoir tanks or the round ponds, are called as round ponds. Round ponds, okay, and dams and the NGOs, they are also making the dams, check dams. Some are the high regions to low regions, the water is when fall down, okay, the running of water is collected by, and this is slowly come and join with these round pits or the round ponds, or another one is where they are mentioned the check dams, right to hold the backflow of the water, where the run of the water, this water is catched by these structures, okay. And here another topic, is it clear what are the benefits of the rainwater harvesting? Once again we quickly recapitulation about these 12 points. Benefits of the rainwater harvesting, and the first one is increasing the water availability, check the declining of the water tables, it is an eco-friendly in nature, and it improves the quality of groundwater through the dilation of the fluorides, nitrates and salinities, and it also prevents the soil erosion and the floods which comes in the urban areas, especially this is prevents the urban areas, the flood movements ni, okay. And under the some NGOs, both male and female, they are together do some works to making a round ponds. These are called simply johads. These johads are useful to capturing the rainwater, and these are useful to agriculturing purpose, right and also they are make the dams to holding the back of the rainwater. This is about the benefit of rainwater. And next one is the water conservation in especially agriculture fields, okay. Water conservation, in agricultural, right in agriculture, water conservation in agriculture, right, agriculture, right culturing of crops, culturing of different type of crops, for example paddy, oryza, zea maize and so what. So, okay, so many crops are cultivated by the nature is known as agriculture, right. Here the water conservation in agriculture fields means water is an essential element to growing of the plants, right. This is the most important one. Water is an essential element to growing of the plants, growing of plants and crops, right. But here the farmer utilizing more and more water, okay, for the growth of plants and crops, and here the farmer utilizing this water, and he utilized so many types of fertilizers and pesticides to using of the getting a good productivity or a high yield from the croplands, okay. That's why he is a declining water table and a arising of these salinity due to the using of these high chemical natures For example, here a declining water table, right, declining water table, and another one is arising the what that is the chemical nature, the arising the salinity, arise in salinity. These two are due to the high consumption of high consumption of what ma? Chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Okay, these both are increasing the water salinities and declining the water table. Okay, that's why we must avoid these two, and we are only used in the agriculture fields, that is manures or organic manures or inorganic manures, or where we are collecting the cow dungs and where we are collecting the goat and sheep's their excretory product. It is a good fertile, and it is a good manure to the soil, and the soil will become as a fertile ma. Okay, and these are the chemical fertilizers and pesticides has made the matter very serious. Okay, when we are used in agricultural lands by the vast amounts of these fertilizers and pesticides, now the matter is get very serious. Okay, to avoiding of this, to avoid of these seriousness, what we are get here, very simple techniques are used to avoiding of this type of incidents. Okay, there is a very simple techniques to water harvesting in the agricultural fields. What are they? Let us see here ma. The simple techniques ma. Okay, here the simple techniques are, in that the first one, okay, people collect the, right, in India, in our India there is an arid and semi arid areas is there. Arid and semi arid regions or areas, semi arid areas which are completely depend upon the rainfalls only ma. If we are cultivating any crop under such a type of areas, we completely depend upon the rainfalls. That's why in our India, okay, in our India, arid and semi arid areas is there. In the particular areas, they are bounding, the peoples are mentioned here, abounding ane, okay, the areas are make the tanks or contributed, and these areas tanks are contributed, sorry, tanks, for example square model tanks are constructed by the people, either they are used by bounding. The most important ma, these are especially which are present in our the such a type of this arid and semi arid areas, right ma. This is a bounding or by excavating, right, bounding or excavating. Here bounding means where the mentioned on a round tanks, okay, the fulfill of the round tanks which are constructed by using of the bricks or some another ones ma. And this is an bounding, it is completely fulfilled with this rainwater, okay, the rainwater. When the insufficient rainfalls are occurs in the stations or the areas, the people are collected the rainwater and the water is come and join with these ponds. The, okay,